Aloha, lovely ladies. Are you feeling alone in your relationship, yearning for the fairy tale romance that you once had? Do arguments and feelings of being unloved leave you feeling unsupported, disconnected from your partner? I know exactly how you feel. I felt the same way. And now I have my soulmate back again. It's time you mastered the 6 intimacy skills to reclaim your happiness birthright by reigniting the spark in your marriage. As a certified Laura Doyle relationship coach, I specialize in helping women just like you rediscover joy, connection, and passion in their relationships. I'm offering you now my 4-week workshop designed to empower you with the tools and the skills to transform your marriage into the partnership of your dreams. Imagine snuggling up with your partner, embarking on fun romantic adventures, and sharing laughter and love every day. Picture feeling fully supported and understood, knowing that you're part of a team. Yes, and household chores, business and children, all a part of that team, are handled without judgment and criticism. But that's not all. Once you've experienced the skills in your life, you'll want to join us at the breathtaking Hawaii Happiness Farm for an unforgettable retreat experience, surrounded by like-minded women who cherish and support you. And you'll dive deep into the intimacy skills, guided by expert coaching, hypnotherapy, NLP, and meditation sessions that uproot old patterns and beliefs about your happiness and your marriage in paradise on the white sand beaches as the sun rises over the crystal aqua ocean. Explore the beauty and energy of Hawaii through paddleboarding, hiking, swimming, snorkeling, and surfing, even horseback riding adventures, all while building lifelong friendships and inner strength. Ready to write the next chapter of your love story? Sign up for your workshop today and apply to join us at the Hawaii Happiness Farm for the ultimate journey of happiness and fulfillment. Reserve your spot now by visiting the link below, www.hawaiihappinessfarm.com.